This is John O'Hara. Here in the search criteria box, you can type in O'Hara John, John O'Hara, or John apostrophe O'Hara. Then you notice the author has been selected here, and we click search to find John O'Hara, and we select call number. It automatically searches and then lists those. The call numbers are non-fiction books that are done by John O'Hara. If you'll notice, as I scroll down, they are listed in order, non-fiction above fiction. We're now in the fiction section. This is where all the authors are listed by their last name. Now let's look for books done by Stephen King. We make sure that author is listed here and order by author here. Then press search. It takes a few moments to gather the data. As you can see, we have several things that came up under the name Stephen. We want to simplify this array of information by going to here, order by call number. Selecting call number will simplify this information. As you can see, CD book FIC comes up first, which is audiobooks by Stephen King. Audiobooks. Then as I scroll down to look for others, I will find DVD, which is movies by Stephen King. To find movies, look here on this turntable. Then as we scroll down a little bit farther, we see just FIC, which means fiction. Fiction. And there is PB, which means paperbacks by Stephen King.
Paperback books.
As I scroll down somewhat farther, I notice that as I'm scrolling down, which is a long list, I come across LT, which is large type for fiction books. Sometimes I have a hard time reading the small print, so I choose LT. Large type books. I am looking for FICM, which I found here, which means Fiction Mysteries by Stephen King. Mystery. The rotating collection, as I'm pointing to here, is shared collection that moves from one library to another. Books can be requested if you want to wait a few days for these types of books. Books on tape. Science fiction books. Here is music CDs. On the lower shelf, you will find non-fiction DVDs on the turntable. We have CD-ROMs, VHS tapes, computer games, the Wii, chess. Next time, learn how to log in at home to the Pottsville Free Public Library and how to reserve a book